Hey guys, today my topic is how to exchange fridge in Flipkart. Open Flipkart, type refrigerator, choose any fridge. I am selecting this fridge. Exchange another fridge refrigerator. Click here. Choose which type your refrigerator. I am selecting single door. Next, click what is the capacity of the refrigerator. I am giving 100 to 200 liter. Choose any brand. I am selecting this brand. And next, and confirm exchange. Exchange value 1,720. Now the rate is 10,370. Thank you for watching video. See you in the next video.